Most areas in North Florida were dry today, but I'm tracking the highest chance for rain this week, and that's on tap for tomorrow. We just got a new severe thunderstorm warning for Bradford, northern Alachua County, and Union County. There's some good news for this weekend, but let's talk about right now. I'm enjoying it outside, and it may not be long before what's happening on that side of the globe affects us. The current El Nino already ranks in the top 3 strongest on record. That data is sent back in real time to forecasters who can better understand its strength and to models who can better predict their next move. But because we're so unsure about its strength, that's why we're not quite certain on its impacts to the state of Florida. Marie, Jenna, if you thought the past couple of days have been hot, you may want to close your eyes when I show you these weekend's numbers. Cali got a little bit of a cool down, so they're in the low 90s right now, but still feeling the heat in most spots. Moving to the north and east, and just to the northeast of it is Hurricane Joaquin. That's been feeding tropical moisture to that system. These cells do have the possibility of producing some minor wind damage as they continue to really barrel southeastward. Because that dew point temperature is so far from the actual temperature, well, that's why it feels so nice outside and so comfortable. The lightning maker today, so stay indoors because this could be some dangerous lightning. Fortunately, heavy rain could return for this weekend. We'll focus on the good part first. That could be the source of some strong thunderstorm activity right around your drive time. This area will be dry by the midnight hour. Then things turn muggy to the east towards the city of Palatka over the next couple of minutes, approaching Interlochen. And the peak of hurricane season is actually tomorrow, and if this tropical depression does become a named storm, like Jenna mentioned, it would be our 8th. And last year, just to put that in perspective, we only had 8 named storms. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for portions of North Florida until 9 o'clock this evening. Welcome back. I'm UF forecaster Rebecca Kopelman, and what that means is that there could be some strong thunderstorms for this evening for some areas that haven't seen rain just yet, but right now still tracking some thunderstorms in the area, or just one cell in northern Alachua County near High Springs. That's right along a boundary of sorts where there has been storms to our north where it has cooled down now, but to our south, areas that haven't seen much rainfall with the exception of a few spots in Marion County. But I'm watching along this boundary where there could be some redevelopment for this evening. But here's what I'm talking about. Temperatures in Gainesville, 87 degrees right now. Jacksonville, Valdosta in the 70s, nearly 15 degree spread across this area. That's where there could be some instability created, and that's why there could be some stronger storms. Additionally, the heat index is up in Gainesville at 93, 99 in Cedar Key, but there's no heat index in Jacksonville and Valdosta right now because of the showers and storms. And earlier on today, there were severe storms moving across I-10. That activity now pushing off to the east, but I'm watching another area now entering the Florida Panhandle that could trigger some additional activity later on this evening as far south as Alachua County. So there's some additional development showing up on future track around 6 o'clock, and then that next disturbance starts to enter the area around 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening. I think this could approach Gainesville closer to 8 or 9 before it falls apart and pushes off to the south and east, and that's where there could be a few strong storms. You can track that with us at ufweather.org. So a few of these cells could contain some strong winds, frequent lightning, and small hail. The higher risk, though, near I-10 and points northward. For the rest of the evening, though, most areas will be dry by midnight. Temperatures will fall to the 70s across North Florida. And then tomorrow, I'm tracking a slight chance for a few showers and storms in the late morning and early afternoon hours, starting along the Nature Coast and pushing towards the I-75 corridor. I think we could see a few more showers and storms closer to the city of Gainesville before we start to dry out towards your commute, and we'll stay mostly dry for the rest of the afternoon. A few of those cells, though, could contain some frequent lightning and some strong winds. Temperatures will be in the low 90s, but because of the lack of rainfall, heat index values could be near 100. Rain chances do increase by Thursday, but we're mostly dry on Friday heading into your holiday weekend. Just a slight chance for rain on the 4th before rain chances increase Sunday and Monday.